Okay, I'm trying to fit all these in a box, in the same box. So we have 3 remote controls for timers. I cannot guarantee you any of these will work. This one looks clean, but I don't know about the condition. You know, guys, again, I'm gonna say it again over and over. I have hundreds of toys. I barely have time to check. Some of these have battery corrosion, some don't. I do not know about this remote control. I don't know if those are for those remotes, but you can use them for parts. These ones are the kind of they were supposed to be like for a flip face. This is a James remote control James talking diesel. Emily, I don't think this one is for that remote, but it's in there. It's in a talking James. This one, yeah, you need to check. I mean, if you are looking for some parts, yeah, I have so many parts, but I cannot have I do not have the time to check everything. I cannot, I cannot post individual parts. It's too much. It's way too much. I can't. It's too much. It could take me like a year, to be honest, to list every single item. So that's what I'm posting in bulk. None of these are clean, so if you are buying, expect to have some dirt, since I found them the way they are, untested. This one comes with a good motor. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, I'm just grabbing by the bulk, filling a box. Yeah, that box is pretty full. Like I say, check the link in the description.